everyone, welcome back to the show. Today's episode is going to be super exciting. I can hardly contain my enthusiasm. We're diving into a topic that's not just relevant but pivotal for the future of game development. So let's call this little adventure Creating GPTCraft, the future of game development with AI.
Gasps. Wow. So I can actually write game code for us? Like, does that mean we won't need programmers anymore? That sounds kinda, scary.
I know, right? It's a bit unnerving. I mean, with models like GPT-4, we've seen such a significant leap. GPT-4 can handle more complex tasks, but hold on, it's not a magic wand. You can't just ask it to whip up a game like Flappy Birds or even Minecraft out of thin air.
Interesting. So what's the difference between those two games? Flappy Bird seems super simple, but like, Minecraft is, mind-blowing?
Exactly. Flappy Birds has a straightforward design. Just tap the screen and you're done. Now Minecraft? It's a whole, vast universe. It involves creating a world, handling performance management, character movements. Like, you must create an inventory system, all wrapped in this beautifully complex experience. It's like crafting a fine tapestry versus throwing together a quick patchwork quilt.
Nodding vigorously. Oh, I get it. So you're saying game development is more like, assembling a giant Lego structure? You can't just stick on random pieces without a plan, right?
Absolutely. So as we move into coding our game, let's talk about the Unity engine. We're going to manage everything through Unity Hub. What's important here is choosing the right version of Unity and deciding on rendering quality depending on what devices we're targeting.
Ooh, so what's our game called again? Times excitedly. Oh, I can't wait to hear this.
It's called GPTCraft, a fun homage to Minecraft, obviously. As we build our project, I like to interact with GPT to set up the framework for our code, like establishing character control for our game.
Leaning forward, character control? That sounds super important. So how does GPT help with that?
Great question. Initially, GPT suggests using the WASD keys to facilitate first-person movement. But, we get to dissect how GPT approaches writing this code. It's fascinating.
Pondering? Oh, so it's like you're critiquing a recipe instead of just following it blindly? I love that. Then squints. But how do you ensure the character moves smoothly in 3D space?
Excellent follow-up. You must create a clean structure for your code. There are specific frameworks set up for character movements. Think of it as building a sturdy foundation for a house. It all needs to be in order for it to function smoothly.
Right. So what about the actual game world? Creating landscapes must be tricky, I'm guessing.
Totally. Now, we delve into world generation. Random number generation techniques come in handy here, especially when crafting varying terrains. It's super cool, almost like tossing a handful of dice and letting them determine your landscape.
Whoa. So, like the randomness of a choose-your-own-adventure story? That's wild.
Exactly. And we can also apply noise functions to distribute heights effectively. This helps create an aesthetically pleasing terrain. Imagine rolling hills, serene valleys, everything working in sync.
And then the gameplay. So will players be able to break blocks like in Minecraft?
Absolutely. We want to create a fabulous user experience that mirrors Minecraft, while also sprinkling in unique features. Player interactions, including adding and breaking blocks, are so essential to gameplay.
Waving hands around. This is thrilling. So, I imagine there will be feedback from the community too?
For sure. We'll welcome feedback throughout the development, exploring enhancements based on creativity and suggestions from our community. It's like having a brainstorming party.
Smiling widely. Ha! Brilliant! And as you wrap up this prototype, you're definitely looking for support to reach a wider audience, right?
Yes, I'm super eager for everyone's support. Like, subscribe, share. Let's make this vibrant gaming experience together. A journey in making our game, GPTCraft, is just beginning.
Excitedly. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see how it all turns out.